Hi, Zandro! Palakpakan po natin si Zandro! Ay, parang nakatulog siya.
Hello.
Fancy Zandro! Make some noise! There you go. Parang naubos yung voice nila, kaka-cheer para sa'yo habang nagpo-perform ka. But thank you very much, Zandro. Grabe yung performance mo. Sobrang grabe yung energy. And meron ka mga nilabas kayo na hindi namin nakita nung semifinals. Marami kang pasabog today. Thank you for giving it your all on stage. How are you feeling? Anong nararamdaman mo ngayon?
Sobrang saya po!
Nag-enjoy ka?
Opo,
Wow.
nag-enjoy po ako.
Mukha namang nag-enjoy ka at yun ang pinaka-importante para sa atin today, na nag-enjoy ka habang nagpo-perform ka. Iba rin talaga yung high na nabibigay ng nagpo-perform, di ba? May maraming nag-greet sa'yo at dami mong supporters today. So I think ang audience natin can definitely agree that your performance was definitely something worth watching. Pero ngayon, kailangan natin mapakinggan kung ano masasabi ng mga ating judges who are here today. Let's hear from our first one. Say hi to Miss Karen or Ate Karen for you.
Hello po!
Hello!
Magandang hapon po!
Ganda lang po. Galing-galing mo. Gusto ko lang sabihin kasi, kung sa singing kasi, dapat may dynamics, ganun. Sa sayaw mo, you were able to tell the story through your dance. And I really love the whole concept. And I remember kahit nung semifinals, sobrang consistent ng pagsayaw mo. Pero the difference is, ngayon sa grand finals, mas level up mo yun. So keep it up and congratulations na in advance.
Thank you po!
Thank you very much to Judge Karen. Let's now hear from Judge Selena.
Hi, Sandro.
Hello po! Magandang hapon din po!
Magandang hapon. Thank you for your performance. You brought range from dancing to acting, from angas to matinee material. Thank you very much for your Pinoy spirit and top star spirit.
Thank you po!
Thank you very much. Sobrang galang pa niya, di ba? Thank you very much to our judges for their feedback. At talaga naman nakita natin talaga na ang ganda ng performance ni Zandro. At ang pinaka-importante is nag-enjoy siya. Kayong lahat, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Yes? Alright, that is it for our finalist number 4, Zandro. Congratulations!
Thank you
You
po.
gave us your best and we hope that you have fun performing for us. We'll see you again later. Thank you very much,
Thank you
Sandro.
po!
Wow, sobrang tayo nag-enjoy sa pagpapanood.